how to register phone insurance. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. First, navigate to the menu button and click on it. Then head over to current accounts. Click on current accounts on the right side as well. You will be shown a few options on the current account screen. Now click on the drop down button labeled more. Scroll down a bit and you will see an option for packaged bank accounts. Click on it. From here you will find several options related to insurance. Look for and click on mobile phone insurance. On this screen you will see option for registering your mobile phone. You can scroll down to find the instructions or how to proceed. The first option is to log on to internet banking. Once logged in, select the more option button on your account, then click on view account benefits. This will take you to the mobile phone insurance section where you can register your phone. The second option is if you don't use online banking, go back to the instruction section where you show the registration info. You will need to contact Lloyds Banking directly to help them set up your mobile phone insurance. Click on the calling us button in this section. You will see different contact numbers depending on your account type and location. Make sure to call discreetly as you will need to share confidential information for them to register your phone insurance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.